Solbet Capital Group is the biggest manufacturer of autoclaved cellular concrete in Poland. We have 5 professionally managed production plants located in Poland. Approximately 1.5 million cubic meters of our highest quality products reach European markets. The main production plant is located in Solec Kujawski, on the banks of the river Vistula. The plant in Solec Kujawski has the biggest daily production capacity in Europe, at the level of 2,300 cubic meters of cellular concrete. At present, Solbet brand cellular concrete constitutes more than 30% of the whole Polish market, making us an unquestioned leader in this business area. The history of Solbet goes back to 1954, when the first production of cellular concrete began by the parent company in Solec Kujawski. A breakthrough in the company's history was the 2nd of July 1992, when a change in the form of ownership took place. The state-owned company Prefabet Solec Kujawski was privatized and took the name of Solbet. Since that time, Solbet has successfully and dynamically improved its structure, finally taking the shape of today's capital group. Based only and exclusively on Polish capital, a locally operating company has turned into a leader of domestic production of wall materials, which are available also in Germany, Belgium, Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Slovakia, the Czech Republic, Lithuania, Latvia and the Ukraine. Autoclaved cellular concrete is manufactured in a waste-free production process from natural raw materials which include limestone, sand and water. These components ensure that the material is 100% ecological and user-friendly. Sand taken from the Vistula River is unloaded from barges at the plant's port and stockpiled or transported directly to the grid. From this place, through the system of sorting screens, it goes by means of a belt conveyor to silos, and then to ball mills where it is milled. The cement and lime delivered by rail and road transport is tipped into storage tanks of a total capacity of 5,000 tons. Aluminium powder in the form of water slurry is made on a separate, special and fully automated technological line. Then, along with a small amount of lime, gypsum and cement, it is added to a sand sludge prepared in mills. The aluminium powder acts like yeast. It makes the mass grow like a cake, and in its structure thousands of air bubbles are formed. Thanks to this, the cellular concrete has a low mass, so it is easy to use and it has an excellent thermal insulating power. Components for the production of Solbet blocks are checked in high-tech laboratories for the conformity with high internal quality standards. After a satisfactory physical and chemical analysis of samples taken, the joining of all components takes place in a production head, and molds are filled with them according to a specified formula. Then curing takes place and ready molds are transported to technological cutting lines. Modern cutters allow us to obtain blocks of specified measurements to an accuracy of 1 mm. Cut forms are transported using computer-controlled roller conveyors and bridge cranes to stands of truck sets. After assembly, they go to autoclaves where a process of hardening takes place. After unloading of autoclaves, blocks are cooled and subjected to a physical and technical analysis for conformity with European standards and the requirements of destination countries. Example, the German DIN standard. They are then transported to packing stands, from where they go to a warehouse and to stacking yards in the form of load units. Every day, around 100 tiers loaded with cellular concrete leave the plant's gateway. Next to our parent company Solbet is located the Solbet Group company, which belongs to our capital group, a main Polish producer of cutters and many other technical devices constituting equipment for autoclaved cellular concrete plants and steelworks and glassworks. Solbet Capital Group uses many tools which enable us to raise the quality of finished products and to improve employee safety at work. The proof for this is the implementation of a complex quality management system in the form of ISO 9001 and ISO 18000 standards. The Solbet company and its products have won much acclaim many times. We are the winner of prestigious competitions. Solbet blocks were honored with the Teraz Polska promotional emblem. The company runs its business activity according to sustainable development guidelines. We actively contribute to various charitable and social campaigns. We help institutions and organizations through long-term cooperation as well as through one-off requests. Achieving the position of a leader in a given area does not guarantee that such a situation will last forever. Only permanent and systematic development enables a company not only to keep, but also to improve its position in a market. The road to success of the Solbet company is strictly defined and has a specific purpose: to maintain and strengthen its high reputation by releasing a product of unique quality on the market, which fully meets the requirements of our customers.